Happy New Year, Fluffs and Furballs. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be going over how I did this very low maintenance hairstyle. It was very easy. It lasted a very long time. So let's get into it. Okay, so guys, I used 2 packs of this Bobbi Ball's Kinky Perm hair. It says it's a number 2, but it's actually the natural color of, it's like a 1B technically. So this is like a blowout type texture, and I've already worn this style and I've already taken it out, so I can give like an honest review. This hair, even though it's like a kinky straight, it's not as kinky as like bohemian blowout hair. So the ends are like straighter than like the actual bundles itself, which was okay. It wasn't too bad, but I just wanted to be able to put something in because I wore this around Christmas time when I was going to be very busy at the salon and wouldn't have time to do much to my hair, so I decided to do this style. This is the best synthetic hair I've ever worn in my life. Like, even if it like matted or like kind of got tangled, all I had to do was brush it and it came immediately out. Like it was some good hair. Like it was about $13.99, $11.99. I believe I got I got a 12 and an 18-inch. I did put the 18-inch in the back and I used the 12 for the pieces up front. Or did I get two 18 inches? I'm sorry. I got two 18 inches. So yeah. It literally did not take me long at all to put this hairstyle in. All I did was leave out the half of my head in the front, and then I left out the perimeter, and then I just sewed these little bundles in, and that's pretty much the hard work of this whole hairstyle. I didn't want to put too much heat on my hair, so what I did was I just used one of those hot brushes, and I just kind of like straightened my hair a little bit with that. It didn't require heat like at all. So I only put in about 2.5 of the bundles, and with the rest of the hair I decided to make clip-ins. I did 4 pieces total. They were doubled. I did 2 of these blue curly pieces that I had to match my blue hair I have colored up front, and I did 2 black pieces. So I literally did this hairstyle with like 4 clip-ins and then the back sewn in. When I tell you guys, it's very simple and very easy. I absolutely love this hairstyle. Of course, it looks way better on somebody who has like full edges, you know, full perimeter left out correctly, whatever. But you know, we're gonna make it do what it do. And I know I should have just colored my hair, but I was being so lazy. I really didn't want to do anything. I really didn't have time to color it back blue. So don't get on me, y'all. Don't get on me. And the reason I didn't use all of the hair was because with this hair, it's thick and it's big. Like it has that blowout texture. So I didn't put too much hair in my head because I didn't want it to be too much. So as y'all already know, I have my Summer's Edge on deck. I just wanted to fill it in a little bit. Like I really wasn't trying to like do a full coverage look. I just wanted to add a little razzle dazzle in there so I wouldn't look completely bald. Typically, I would lay my edges and do all that stuff and then apply the Summer's Edge, which is the correct way to do it. But I wanted to go for like the full natural look. But my edges was like, honey, if you don't put some edge control on us. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys all the ways that you can wear this hair. I'm going to shut up now and let you watch it. Okay, I will say this. If you do not have one of those hot brushes, what I suggest is that you turn your flat irons on very low, like 300 or lower, and that way you'll still get like a sleek flat iron look without your hair being too silky to blend into this weave. So right here, I just took some of the scraps I had left over from the clip-ins and I just rolled them up and just stuck them inside of my hair to make my ponytail a little bit thicker than what it was. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on. You guys have a fluffy day.